Welcome back to Misguided. Today we got something different. It's an Amazon mini bike, the XtremePowerUS. Or maybe it's XtremePowerUS. I'm not sure which one. But it's on Amazon. You can get it for $349. And we got one here. We're going to put it all together, go zip it around the block, and see what this thing's all about. It's too heavy to pick up. We'll just cut it open. You got it.
What do you think?
It looks like something that you would unpack in the middle of a war.
Small crate, like this is perfect.
Yeah. This will get you through the front lines faster than you can say Worcestershire sauce. There's no bars on it, so we'll throw the bars on. I don't know what else is going on with it. It's such a tiny little motor, huh?
It is tiny.
Is this a I don't know if this is a 2-stroke or a 4-stroke. Oh no, it's a 4-stroke. 4-stroke 50cc motor. I don't know if I believe that. Look, it's got a little the cable-driven disc brake. That's something you would see on like a mountain bike. Should I just pick it up?
The cops come after you, just pick up your bike and run.
XtremePowerUS. It's got the matte black tank, the satin black frame, black wheels. All in all, it's a pretty dope little ride, you know?
You look like my old lunch lady.
I need a mole. Big mole.
Can I have some extra beans?
And I can serve soups.
All right, let's see how extreme power this thing is, huh?
It looks extreme. It looks like something you could get into some extreme stuff on, for sure. Yeah, I'm gonna pick it up and we'll bring it on back. What?
What's with the shower cap?
It was covering the seat. Excuse me. As you can see, we did a little bit of reorganization back here. It really does look like something that they would like have in like World War II to like get troops around or something, huh? For
right.
a little.
They send you in that little crate.
Look at these little bars. How cute. Look at that. We should get a bunch of these and race them around in the basement downstairs. So, wouldn't that be sick? Someone could get really hurt.
That's perfect.
But that's part of doing extreme stuff. It's extreme consequences. These are interesting risers because it uses the same bolts to clamp the bars as it does to go through the triple. Typically, you're gonna have a riser and there'll be a separate bolt that goes through, but this is, it's not bad. It's extreme. I think I got it. Ooh, look at this cool throttle tube. Didn't even notice that. If that's not extreme, I don't know what extreme is.
It's like IKEA. It's like the couch I built last night.
Did you build a couch last night?
I sure did. George.
Hi, George.
What is this bike for?
It's for me.
It's for Dick.
Oh,
You like it?
yeah, I didn't know they make this shit.
Oh, it's small, isn't it?
Yeah,
You could ride this one.
Yeah, you could ride this.
yeah, I can do that.
Yeah.
On my fault somewhere, you know, down.
George is gonna take. George takes a
sidewalk,
tumble.
you know what I mean?
George.
How much is this going for?
This is $340.
Yeah?
Yeah. And it came in a box, and we opened it up today.
Wow.
We'll get these nice and snug down. It's gonna be great. We're gonna fire it up. We gotta go get gas, I think, for it.
Doesn't come with gas.
No. Doesn't come with gas. What? We'll check the oil levels.
I guess.
I guess.
I just want to get it started. I don't think we need to check all that.
But it says we should.
Yeah.
We're gonna check the oil in.
I'm sure they have oil.
Yeah, see, George knows.
Look how light it is. I'm just like rolling it around.
Yeah.
It's got oil.
He loves the protein.
Is that protein? Yeah, oil. We'll go grab some gas. I think this thing's about ready to fire up. It looks like it came with a couple nicks on it. Extreme power right here. And the warning label, huh? For ages 13 and up only. Off-road use only. Do not overload. No passengers allowed on the bike. Do not go over recommended speed. What's the recommended speed? Do not operate if under the influence of drugs, alcohol, or medications. Well, nobody we know is going to be able to ride this thing, man. Do not operate on public streets, sidewalks, or anywhere use of the bike is illegal.
Don't ride it anyway.
Don't ride it anywhere. 40cc. It weighs 49 pounds, the whole thing.
That's a good man. Perfect. That's only 50 pounds.
This is weird, like the transfer case for the chain, you know? It's like something you would see on a stretched Busa or something. Squeaky brakes. They got a squeaky brakes category in here. Weekly, monthly maintenance. Clean your air filter. Clean the cooling fins on the cylinder head. Adjust the spark plug gap to 0.6. I love it. Look, we got a diagram of the whole bike. There's 28 parts total. Mom, will you hold down the fort when me and Nick run to the gas station? Extreme! And we're back. We are in the building. We got $2 in gas. Because I forgot my wallet and that's all the cash Nick had on him. But you'll be shocked how far $2 in gas will get you on a little tiny extreme unit like we're dealing with today.
George is still here.
George is here. Is he hitting on my mom? What are you guys talking about?
Not you, my friend.
Talk
I hope
about
not.
George's many successful,
He owns like 80
properties.
fucking buildings, don't you?
No, he doesn't own 80.
Yeah.
80 buildings? Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you were exaggerating.
Oh no.
Fill it up, fill it up.
Pretty small tank. Looks bone
For
dry.
a pretty small bike.
Pretty small tank for a pretty small bike. I like that. Dude, we might just get a full tank.
I hope you don't spill it.
Smell that?
I want to hear the noise.
Huh?
I
You
want
want
to
to
hear the noise.
I want to hear the voice. Dude, it's like full.
I see the box. It came like a toy. You know what I mean?
So I think this is the choke. So we'll go all the way up. Where's the kill switch at?
Well, you gotta do that. Huh?
I'm just priming it a couple times. I don't see fuel in here yet.
You gotta get the air out.
Oh, here we go. There's that primer down here.
Yeah, a little more.
Yeah,
Oh,
let it go.
there it goes.
Yeah.
So we're priming this baby.
George knows.
George knows. We gotta get the air out. It's probably primed, huh?
Give it a shot. Wow.
Pretty quiet, isn't it?
Yeah.
Pretty quiet. She's got some pipe. It feels pretty extreme. pretty serious.
Does it?
Yeah, it feels pretty serious. The bars moved a lot on me just now.
Are they moving?
They did just now when I hit that bump. I almost fucking hit it.
How's the brakes?
They're there.
They're there, huh?
There. If I was going into war and I had to get around, or like a zombie apocalypse, this could be a good little bike.
That would be a terrifying sight. Like, wait till you see the footage of you like coming at the camera. Like, if I saw you coming at me yelling on this bike.
Maybe we should tighten the bars up. It moves, it runs good. It's a mini bike. It's definitely uncomfortable because of how small it is. And it's real dark.
Yeah, it looks awkward.
Yeah, it's definitely awkward. But again, it's meant for a child, not not a grown-ass man. Yeah. We gotta jump it, right? You got some wood back there, George, for us to make a jump?
Oh, for this?
Yeah.
What, you got some wood on the side. What kind of ramp you want to make?
What kind of ramp you want? A big one. Something to jump my truck with.
What?
We're gonna jump the Ford Ranger. Should I do the jump? Do I do it?
Yeah.
You don't think I'll break it?
I hope not. Such a little hop.
So my review of the XtremePowerUS is nothing but good things, good times.
Pretty extreme.
Pretty extreme. As soon as it came out of the box, a feeling washed over my entire body, and it was that of an extreme essence. So yeah, 10 out of 10. Super affordable. If I was 6, this would be my favorite thing in the world. That's cool. Yeah, fits him just perfect. That's what I said.
What's your name?
Dakar.
Dakar. Do you have a helmet? Dakari, do you have a helmet?
He definitely finna get one of them.
Yeah, you need a helmet.
I can get all your gear and stuff. I got those half shells. Those are real nice. They're like $80.
Yeah, these right here?
Yep. Certified. You live around here?
Yeah.
If you ever need any help with it, just let me know.
So it's pretty easy, man. All you do is grab the pull start, make sure your kill start's on. Give it a pull.
Regular lawnmower. Do it by yourself now. Do everything by yourself.
There you go.
Well, you supposed to press this, right?
Yeah.
Press it down. Other way.
Yeah, press the other one.
This
Other way.
one. This one. There you go.
Now that's Ron.
There you go.
That's better.
Here, Ben. Hook for life, huh? You like it? No, hey, let me see something. Dude, he is flying on it. It goes, too.
It goes flying.
It goes.
Get used to it now.
Hey.
Oh! Holy shit. He needs a helmet. Get a helmet on that guy. Yeah.
Get that helmet
You gotta get a helmet going.
Come on, shop.
Oh.
See? That's it. Just trying to show out. You good? See?
Oh, what's that?
You gonna keep falling. You gonna keep falling, shit. Man, your ass just bust your shit.
We gotta get up.
You gotta get up. Go up.
You hurt that bad. How are you? I am going to your throat.
It's perfect, right?
Perfect fit.
Should we get more mini bikes? Look at this one. This is the one we want.
I think we should get a mini bike.
The Apex 2-stroke 49. Dude, this one looks like a race bike. If you want to see us buy more Chinese pocket bikes for the shop, maybe put one in a window. Let us know in the comments if that's something you want to see, because I want to see it. But Brian won't let me unless you guys want to see it. That's what I want.
We should get that.
That's what we need. Something a little more serious.